So to fix that broken page that we saw in the last video, all you really had to do is you had to add this one route, which is org people stripe update settings, refers to org people hash stripe update settings. So this is the function that you need in order to get the page to work, and if you went ahead and refresh the page, this is where you would have ended up with. Now, I want you to bring your attention over to your database, and I want you to take a look at what you got from the last video. So after the last video, if you had looked into your database, you would have found that you would have a Stripe publishable key, a Stripe secret key, a Stripe user ID, Stripe currency, and the type of account the Stripe gave you, and your account status. So this was all what was created when they ran the create account method. So let's go back over to our code, because now that we've added a new route, we would have to create that function. So our function is in org people stripe update settings. So let's go over to org people. So right now we only have stripe settings. We have not yet written the stripe update settings, and it's really not a very difficult function to write at all. So what I want you to do is I want you to write under here. This is a comment for what this function will do. It'll pretty much update the necessary information required by Stripe. So Stripe update settings end, and what we'll do is do manager equals current or person dot manager. So where this dot manager comes from is from the model. So if you looked into your model, then we have abstracted this function manager all the way to our model, which is the correct way of doing things. So when you can abstract things to your model so that they can be reused, really do that, because that's proper way of coding, and it's really more beautiful than anything else. So the next thing I want to do is I want to do manager update accounts, and this is from our stripe underscore manager RB. So that's where that function comes from. So everything in that function is what we're doing now. We're going to pass the params. And then what we're going to do after is we're going to redirect to org people stripe settings path. And that's pretty much it for this function. It's really short for the Stripe update settings. And now you could go ahead and refresh your page, and I'll let you try to go through this part of the page yourself. So fill out the information, click save info, and see what you get. Other than that, please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Again, leave any questions or comments in the comment box below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again in the next episode.